Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we will explore how to use Power BI's visualization tools to bring data to life. From simple charts to interactive dashboards, Power BI helps you to tell a story with your data of clearly, creatively, and confidently. What is data visualization? Data visualization it is the process of converting raw data into visual formats like charts, graphs, maps, etc. It helps users to understand trends, patterns and outliers. Importance of Power BI visualization. It has a drag and drop interface, live filtering and slicing, interactive dashboards, and it has rich visuals like bar, pie, map, KPIs, matrix, waterfall. Types of visuals in Power BI. Bar or column chart, it is used for comparing values. Pie or donut chart, it is used for showing proportions or 0% share. Line charts are used for trends over time. Table or matrix is used to display raw or structured data. Maps are used for geographic analysis. Cards are used for showing key metrics. Gauge or KPI is used for measuring performance. Scatter plots are used for showing relationships between variables. Creating dashboards. How to create a visual? Go to report view, select a visual icon from the visualization pane, drag fields into values, axis, legend, etc. Customize using format panes like colors, titles, data tables and tooltips. After uploading the data, go to report view. This is how the report view looks like. On the visualization, go to the second tab and choose. We can able to change the background of this canvas white into some other colors or clicking canvas background. I'm changing it into blue color and changing into violet. Now the color is not appeared because we have to reduce the transparency level. Now we can able to see the background canvas color. This is how we can able to change the canvas background color. From the previous video, you have learned how to create visualization using DAX. The same way I have created this card. I am choosing what to be added. I am clicking credit score. Now clicking upon it, you can able to change the visualization. I am choosing cards. Go to general, turn on the title, go to effects. You can also able to change the background of the visualizations. I am going to effect for changing the background of the card. I am giving white and reducing the transparency level. Bottom of that you can able to see the visual border and shadow. Turn on both of it because visual borders are used to present the borders for the cards or whatever visualization we are presenting. Turning on the shadow help us to provide a shadow like effect for the visualizations. I am adjusting the visuals. After adjusting, you can tap on anywhere in the canvas for choosing the next. Now I am changing the visualization. You can add whatever data you wanted in any format. Next visualization is I have chosen age. In visualization, by clicking on the paint icon, you can able to change the visualization. Here in general, I am changing the background into white and reducing the transparency level. Below, I have already told to turn on the visual border and shadows for creating a eye-catching visuals. In visual borders, I am adjusting the round corners. Now you can able to see the difference of normal square into rounded corners. I am adjusting the visuals according to me. As I felt the visuals are very big, I am adjusting it. Now I am going to create a slicer. Slicer helps us to filter the options. You can also able to adjust in slicer. Now I'm going to change the background of the slicer, and also I'm going to turn on the visual borders and shadows as we have done previously. Now you will able to understand the use of slicer here. After you say I have checked in the box, I'm giving only mail, so it shows the total number of mails which was used in all visuals. From DAX operation of new measures also we can able to create a visuals by adding total counts as I have mentioned in the previous video. Now with the help of the measure, by using the syntax of measure is equal to sum from the data what we have uploaded the data name, and into the square bracket we have to apply whatever we want the data to be visualized. I want to find the age, so into the square bracket I have given the age. Now the slicer is, we can also able to check in the boxes like the above both slicers. I'm creating the another one slicer. You can able to check in the boxes. After checking in, you can able to see the difference. You can also able to change the format of the slicer by clicking on the slicer setting in visuals. Here I have given the title. Again I'm giving the vertical list, so you can see like this. You can able to customize according to your requirement. I have created another one measure. The syntax for measure is measure and equal to operator is must. Then we have to perform the function. After that in open bracket data name, and in square bracket whatever we have to find we have to insert it to it. If you want to delete the measure, you can right click on next to the three dots of the measure which you wanted, and you can click delete measure. Again I have created the measure 3. We can able to find the syntax. Here after clicking on measure 3, I am going to click on credit score. Now you can able to see the visualization of credit score. You can able to change the visualizations by clicking directly on the visualization. This is the visualization I have created by using the column chart and pie chart. By right clicking on the three dots on the right side of the visuals, we can able to see more options. In that you can also able to remove if you felt that you don't want this visual, or you can also export data. Now you can see the visual was deleted. Now I have created the estimated yearly income. Now I want to give a title to this visualization. Home tab you can able to see the text box. You can add this box by clicking on the text box. I am turning on the title setting in general and also header icons. For the title also I am changing the transparency level to match other visualization in the canvas. You can able to write any text in this text box. I am giving American Express analysis. The very important thing here is you have to select all the text for changing the formats like colors or changing the size or changing it into a bold format. You can also able to adjust the size of the letter or text. In View tab, you can able to change the visualizations, change the color. You can also able to add images. You can also able to add images from your desktop or from Chrome by inserting image in Insert tab. This is the final visualization of the dashboard which we have created. You can able to see the values in cards. You can able to see the slicers. If I click on the slicer, now you can able to understand the difference between using slicer and not using the slicer. Slicer mainly helps us to filter data. If I click on mail, it shows only the mail. If I click on a particular geography, it shows only which related to it. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and drop your thoughts below. Thank you.